Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 6 maths exercise 3.3. Before starting this exercise, we must know about the test for divisibility of numbers. As already I had explained to you in the previous video about the divisibility of few numbers like divisibility of 2, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 10. But in this exercise, I am going to describe each and every number's divisibility, especially whatever the numbers given in our standard. First of all, I would like to start with the decreasing order, means the divisibility I will start with 10. If anybody will ask you, what is the divisibility of 10? Divisibility of 10. Can anybody tell me what is the divisibility of 10? As in the previous video I had explained you also. Divisibility of 10 means if a number has 0 in the ones place. If a number has 0 in the ones place. So you can write these things in your notebook. If a number has 0, Z-E-R 0, if a number has 0 in the unit place or ones place. If a number has 0 in the ones place or 0 place, ones place. If the number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. 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 If anybody will ask you, what is divisibility of 10? Any number, as for example, if I am writing 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One number. Second number 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 0. Third number 7, 6, 8, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0. Fourth number 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. See, what I want to say you, that if anybody will ask you, is this number divisible by 10? Then you have to directly say no. Why no? Because here if a number has 0 in the ones place, it is having 7. So this number is not divisible by 10. If I ask you about this number has 0 in the ones place. So if this number is divisible by 10, yes. This number, yes. Why? Because it has 0 in the ones place. This number, yes. Because it has 0 in the ones place. So what you have to say about the divisibility of 10? If a number has 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 10. Got it, everyone? Now we are moving towards a number especially which is divisible by 5. So if I will ask you, can you tell me what is the number, which number is divisible by 5? Then you have to write a number which has either 0 or 5 in its ones place. A number, divisibility of 5, now we are moving towards divisibility of 5. If a number has either 5 or 0 in the ones place, then it is divisible by 5. Remember, if a number has either 5 or 0 in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. Got it? If anybody will ask you, can you tell me these numbers are divisible by 5 or not? If these numbers are not divisible, then which type of number will be divisible? So I am giving you here few more examples. 5th one, 6th one, 7th one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5. 8, 9, 3, 2, 0, 0, 0. 8, 7, 9, 7, 6, 5, 7, 5. Can you tell me which of the numbers are divisible by 5? What is the clue of divisibility of 5? Then here I have written on the board, if a number has either 5 or 0 in the ones place, either 5 or 0 in the ones place, then that number is divisible by 5. If a number has either 5 or 0 in its ones place, if a number has either 5 or 0 in its ones place or in the ones place, then it is divisible by 5. So can you tell me this number is divisible by 5? No. Why? Because at the ones place it is having 7. So it is not divisible by 7. Is this number? Yes. Why? Because it is having 0 in the ones place. Is this number? Yes. Why? Because it is having 0 in the ones place. Is this number divisible by 5? Yes, because it is having 0 in the ones place. Is this number divisible by 5? Yes, because it is having 5 in the ones place. Is this number divisible by 5? Yes, because it is having 0 in the ones place. Is this number divisible by 5? Yes, because it is having 5 in the ones place. So what we have seen, at the ones place what it should be? At the ones place either it should be 5 or it should be 0. If these two are there, then that number is divisible by 5. So we have just learned about the divisibility of 10 and divisibility of 5. Now we are going to move towards the another divisibilities, right? So now the third divisibility is divisibility by 2. Can you tell me what is the divisibility of 2? A number is divisible by 2 if it has any of the digits, like means even digits in its one place. So all of you have written this, you can take a screenshot also. So now we are moving towards the divisibility of 2. So what we have to write? Divisibility of 2. If the number has which number? Either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Or if a number is divisible by 2, then if it has any digits in its one place. Or if the number has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in its ones place. In its ones place. Can you tell me which number can be divisible by 2? If a number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in its ones place, then the number is divisibility by 2. Then the number is divisible by 2. Means at the last place it must have these 5 digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. As for example, if anybody will ask you so out of this, how many numbers are divisible by 2? You can see in this number at the ones place it is having 8. So here it's already written, if the number has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then that number is divisible by 2. So this number is divisible by 2? Yes. This number, see, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. 5 is not there. So if this number is not divisible by 2. 6 is there. This number is divisible by 2. 6, yes. This number is divisible by 2. 8, yes. This number is divisible by 2. 3, no. This number is not divisible by 2. Remember, if any of the number has even number on its ones place, even number on its in its ones place, even number in its ones place. Remember, if any of the number has even number in its ones place, then that number is divisible by 2. I hope all of you are understanding. We have learned about the divisibility of 10, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 2. Now we are going to learn the different digits divisibility. After getting the information of 2, then we will move toward the divisibility by 3. Can you tell me? If the sum of the digit is a multiple of 3, if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. So all of you have taken a screenshot. Now we are moving towards the divisibility of 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, what we have to write of the 3? If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, if the sum of the digits, if the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, is a multiple of 3. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 3. What does it mean? It means that if any number sum is a multiple of 3. How you will do the sum? You have to add all these numbers. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, 6 plus 8. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 6, 20, 20 plus 8, 28. Is 28 a multiple of 3? No. 28 is not a multiple of 3. Because in the 3 tables you know very well 28 doesn't come. So this 28 is not a multiple of 3, then this number is not divisible by 3. Got it? What we have to do? We have to do the sum of the digits. If the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, 27 is a multiple of 3, 28 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. If I talk about this number, 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 9 plus 5. Can you tell me what will be the sum of this number? 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. Once more time, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 5, 18, 18 plus 9, 27, 27 plus 5, 32. Is 32 a multiple of 3? No. 33 is a multiple of 2. 32 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Now let's count this number. 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6. 7, 6, 13. 13 plus 8, 21. 21 plus 9, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. One more down, count it. 8 plus 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 8, 25. 25 plus 6, 31 plus 7, 30. Is 38 multiple of 3? No. 36 or 39 is a multiple of 3. 38 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Got it? Now let's do about this. 9, 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. 9 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 6. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. Plus 2, 18. Plus 1, 19. 19 plus 6, 25. 9 plus 4, 13, 3, 16, 2, 18, 1, 19, 19 plus 6. 25 is also not divisible by 3. Means it is not a multiple of 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3 because 25 is not a multiple of 3. Now take this number. 6 times 8. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 8. 8 6 is 48. Is 48 multiple of 3? Or if you want to just see 48, do 48 comes in the 3 table? 16 3 is a 48. Yes, 48 is a multiple of 3. Yes, this number is divisible by 3. Remember dear students, when the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, then that number is divisible by 3. Now the last one, 9 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 13, 0, 13, 13 and 9, 13 and 7, 22. 22 is not divisible by 3. Means it is not divisible. 22 is not a multiple of 3. So this number is not divisible by 3. So this way we have just seen that which numbers are divisible by 3. I hope all of you have understand about the divisibility of 3. Now we will move towards the divisibility by 5. All of you have taken a screenshot, or if you have written in your notebook, then it's very good. If you have not written, then you can take a screenshot. Now we are moving towards divisibility of 6. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. What does it mean? First of all, the number should be divisible by 2, and then the number should be divisible by 3. Then that number is divisible by 6. How you will understand that this number is divisible or not? You have to just see that this number is divisible by 2 or 3 or not. So what is the divisibility of 6? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible, if the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6. Then the number is divisible by 6 means it should be divisible by 2 also, it should be divisible by 3 also. As for example, just think this is a number. Okay, just suppose this is a number. For divisibility of 2 means it should have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at its unit place, right? So it is having 6, so it is divisible by 2, right? Now divisibility of 3, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 9 plus 6. 2 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 8, 23, 23 plus 9, 32. 32 plus 6, 38. Do 38 comes in 3? Do 38 is a multiple of 3? No. How can you say it is not a multiple of 3? Because we all know 14 3s are 42, 13 3s are 39. So 39 is a multiple of 3, not 38. So this number is not divisible by 3. Now it is divisible by 2, but it is not divisible by 3. Then this number is not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 6. Not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3. So it is divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, therefore not divisible by 6. Take any number which should be divisible by both. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. Sure. Just check here. This is a number. Is this number divisible by 2? Yes. How you can say? Because it is having 2 at its unit place, so it is divisible by 2. Divisible by, what's about this number? Is it divisible by 3? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 15. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 2, 8, 3, 11, 11 to 13 to 15. Is it divisible by 3? Yes, 15 is a multiple of 3. So definitely it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 3. So hence it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Therefore, yes, this is divisible by 6. This is divisible by 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3 both, then the number is divisible by 6 also. Got it? So you have learned about if any of the number is divisible by 2, divisible by 3 both, then that number is divisible by 6 also. Now we will learn divisibility of 4. You can take a screenshot of this. Can you tell me which number is divisible by 4? If a number with 3 or more digit is divisible by 4, if the number formed in its last 2 digit is divisible by 4, means first of all a number with 3 or more digit is divisible. If it is a very long number, then the 3 digit should be divisible by 4. If it is short number, then it must have 2 zeros at the end. Then also that number is divisible by 4. If anybody will ask you, is any number divisible by 4? Then what you will say? Yes, this number is divisible by 4 or not. So what you have to say? Divisibility of 4. Can you tell me what we write in the divisibility of 4? You have to write a number with 3 or more digits. A number with 3 or more digits. A number with 3 or more digits. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. Okay, this is the first condition. A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 4. Or if the number is formed by its, if a number is formed by its if a number is formed by its last two digits is divisible by 0. The last two digits, there's ones and tens, is divisible by 4. If a number is formed by its last two digits is divisible by, last two digits means ones and tens. Tens and ones, or ones and tens, both you can write ones and tens. Last two digits means ones and tens. If a number is formed by its last two digits, ones and tens, is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. How you can say that number is divisible by 3? A number with 3 or more digits is divisible by 3. So first of all, write any number, just suppose this is a number. This 3 number should be divisible by 4. At least this 3 number. Not this 3 number, then last 2 numbers should be divisible. Here you can 16 4 ja 64 and 17 4 ja 68. 69 is not number. So this number is not divisible by 4. It is not divisible by 4. Got it? Either last 2 digit or last 3 digit number should be divisible by 4. Then that number is a divisible of 4. Otherwise that number is not divisible by 4. Last, a number with 3 or more digit is divisible by 3. If you take about this 3 digit also, then also this number, because at the last place it is 9, and in the 4 table that 9 doesn't come at its unit place. So this number is not divisible by 4. If I am talking about, just suppose see 86000. So if I will ask you, is this number divisible by 4? You can say yes. Why? Because this last 2 digit is divisible by 4. Here 3 digits. So if you want to divide by 4 and check that it is divisible, 4 2 ja 8, 0 6, 4 1 ja 4, 20, 4 5 ja 20. See this number. If remember, either on their units place last 2 digits are 0, then remember that number is divisible by 4. Yes, this number is divisible by 4. So this is the condition of divisibility of 4. Now we will move towards the divisibility of 8. Can you tell me which number is divisible by 8? A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8. Then that number formed by the last 3 digits is divisible by 8. If a number with 4 or more digits, a number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits is the same number, divisibility of 3 also. Here you have to just write 8, and a number with 4 digits, 4 or more digits is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. Okay? First 2 lines remember, a number with 4 or more digits. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8. If the number formed by last 3 digits, if a number is formed by its last 3 digits, is divisible by 8. Ones, tens and hundreds is divisible by 8, then that number is divisible by 8. If anybody will ask you what is the divisibility of 8, then you can write this define. A number with 4 or more digits is divisible by 8, or a number is formed by its last 3 digits is divisible by 8. As for example, just suppose any very big number is there. Okay, just suppose this number, last 3 digit or last 4 digit, this number should be divisible by 8. You just suppose 8 4 is 32, 26, 8 3 is 24, 28, and this number is not divisible by 8. Why? Because the last 4 digit is not divisible. See, 8 5 is 40, 62, 8 7 is 56, 63, 8 7 is 56, 74, 8 9 is 72, 26, 8 3 are 24, 28, 8 3 are 24. So remainder 4 is still left. So you can see this number is not divisible by 8. Why? Because last 4 digit is not divisible by 8. Then this number is not divisible by 8. Either the last 4 digit or last 3 digit. If any of the number whose last 4 digit or last 3 digit is not divisible by 8, so that number is not divisible. So which number we have learned? We have learned about the divisibility of 2, divisibility of 3, divisibility of 4, divisibility of 5, divisibility of 6, divisibility of 8. Now we will learn about divisibility of 10 we have learned. Yes. Now we will learn about the divisibility of 9 and 11 in the next video. In this video we have learned about the divisibility of this digit, and after that we will solve exercise in the next digit. That's all for today. I hope all of you have understand this divisibility concept. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.